Want to give your phone a fresh new look without installing anything extra? In this video, I'll show you how to change your lock screen clock in just a few simple steps. Whether you prefer a modern, bold or minimal style, you can customize it quickly and make sure your phone feel more personal today. Let's jump right in. First of all, open the settings page on your phone. Once you are in the main settings page, scroll down a little. Look for the wallpaper and style option, tap on them. In the page, you can see your current lock screen wallpaper available here. Simply click on it. Once the menu, you can find your current lock screen clock available. Simply tap on the clock icon. After that, go to the style section. Here, you can choose the style if you set. For example, I am choose this one. After that, you can also enable the show weather information, show date above clock if you like. Once you're done, you can go back to the font and color section. Here, you can choose the font style if you like. For example, I am choose this one. After that, you can also adjust the theme such as bold them. Simply swipe the slider left to right side and automatically bold it. After that, you can look at the bottom menu bar. Here, find the various color section. Choose the color if you like. For example, I am choose this one or this one if you like. Once you think, you can simply, once everything is good, to save it, simply hit the done button at the top right corner and wait to complete the changes. And that is how you can easily change lock screen clock on your phone. Thanks for watching. Bye, take care.